What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Another video. Today we're going to be doing a split cup pour using black, red, white with a white base coat. So it's going to be pretty cool. It's also another kind of like a simple type of pour. There is no silicone in any of these colors, so we're just going to be doing a straight pour straight out of the split cup. Let's get this thing started. So these colors, they're very fluid. And I'm going to start by, you know what? I'm going to put the red in the center. That way, it's got the white on one side, the black on the other side, and I don't have to worry too much about the white and the black interacting with each other, because I feel like a lot of the time, when I let white and black interact with each other, I get a lot of gray tones. And I kind of want to try to keep this one kind of monochromatic. That's not even a real thing. I kind of want to keep the colors separate. So I'm okay with the red interacting with the white and the black. I know that's going to make some pink colors, some brighter colors. And I just spilled it. Goodness, let me see if I can save that before it makes it all the way down. Well, there's a happy little accident right there. We're starting off this one right, guys. We're starting it off good. Oh, my Lord. Okay. Well, let me wipe this off my hands. It's something. The other hand. Sounds good. Okay. And we got our black. So this is just a plain black. I think this is a cadmium red deep hue. And then a titanium white. So the base coat is going to also be a titanium white. I'm doing that trick I showed you last time where I popped the bubbles. Let me put a generous base coat down. So when I do this straight pour, I'm going to try to spin it on this Lazy Susan a little bit, because I like that little Fibonacci kind of ring swirl deal. Unfortunately, I've had a lot of caffeine today, so I'm pretty well caffeinated, so it's going to be difficult keeping my hands steady, but we're going to do it. We're going to make it work, right? That's what we do. All right, so as you can see, the colors are already in the cup. I didn't need to fill the whole cup. I feel like it's going to spread across the canvas well enough on its own, so I don't need to really just top this thing off. So with that, how about we go ahead and just get this thing started. Now, there was a little bit less red than black, which is okay. And I'm just going to lightly spin it. There's that red starting to come out. I already think I'm going to love the way this looks when it's done. Now, I am not known for my patience, I should say, but this is looking wicked already. Now the big thing is going to be stopping the stream well enough to where, oh, careful. I'm so caffeinated right now that it's just really difficult to even hold it steady. But stopping the stream in a good enough way to where it doesn't look just crazy. And I think we'll be fine. But yeah, this looks like one of those old movies, like where they're trying to hypnotize you with the swirls. And that red is actually staying very stark. It's not really turning pink at all. I think I'm getting a little off center here. So let me fix that. Gradually, slowly adjust back towards the center a little bit. There we go, I think we're there. So we might have a little break in the spiral, but no, it looks like it's fixing itself. All right, this is actually really cool. So, how's everybody doing this glorious day? I hope everybody's doing fantastic. I'm over here just enjoying life. Painting for me is just so, it's like a liberating experience. I don't know even really how to explain it. There's just so much peace in doing this kind of thing for me. That looks really wicked though. I'm loving this. Like I was saying, the real trick is going to be trying to stop the stream without completely wrecking it. Because there's such fine, delicate lines right now. I really don't want to mess that up. And I'm not going to be able to continue pouring too much longer because I don't want to risk these sides continuing to push out towards the edge and then they start falling off the edge. Because that'll kind of mess up the look I'm going for. See, now we're getting a whole bunch of black. Whole bunch more. This looks so wicked though. I'm really excited to stretch this thing out and see what it turns into. Wow. I almost don't even want to stop. I just want to keep going forever, but I know I'm going to have to stop, so. There we go. Well, guys and girls, I managed to stop it without completely decimating it. Would you look at that? Success. So that was the stressful part. So now, let's arrange it so it's closer to the center. It's actually already pretty well centered. And I know if I tilt either way, if I start tilting it, it's going to start distorting these circles. And I really don't want to do that. So, I mean, I guess I could, kind of like from my last video, if you get a little bit of paint on the surface, it makes it easier to glide. So, I'm going to try to maybe get a little, just, make some contact with this paint along the entire surface. That way we don't have any rolling under of these colors. I want this to stay, for the most part, like very circular and geometric, because this thing looks freaking amazing right now. I love it, and I don't want to mess this one up. Alright, so that is basically like almost dead center. Let's see if we can. No, I don't think that'll work. Alright, so what we're going to do, guys, I think we're just going to bite the bullet and spin it and see what we get. What do y'all think? Are you ready? You want to do this? Well, guys, it's happening, so let's do this. Alright. I will start with the lighter spins. Wow, that is cool. Now you can see that the majority of the paint, it wasn't completely centered. So we still have some white edges, and I don't dislike them. I don't dislike the white edges at all. I feel like it adds kind of a little bit more character, a little more depth to it. That is wicked the way it is. I love this one. Let me make sure the edges are getting a really good coverage, especially this white section over here, because I don't want to have any bare spots where I have to try to go in afterwards and cover it. But no, look at this thing. Y'all, I am completely blown away by this. I love this. I'm over here geeking out. Sorry, guys. But let's get down there and check this thing out. I want you guys to see it the way I'm seeing it right now, just up close and personal, because just the composition, the lines, everything about this, I love it. But let's get down there and check it out. Just look at the fine, tiny little details. I am completely blown away by this. I freaking love it. I really honestly thought with the white next to the red like that I would get a whole bunch of pinks, but I didn't. Tell me what y'all think about it in the comments.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.